Hello friends, welcome to Trueview. Today we will see the unboxing and configuration of Trueview 2MP Wi-Fi Cube camera. Let's get started. As you can see, its box packing is quite premium and attractive. It supports cloud recording. Supports Alexa. There is Wi-Fi network. 2MP resolution lens. It has a 10x zoom feature. It has human detection. With this feature, you get a notification on the mobile app on any human detection in the vision of the camera. For recording in this camera, you can insert a memory card of 256 GB. It is all-time color camera which is completely made in India. Here the product code is given. Some QR codes are given at the bottom, by scanning which you can get the user manual of this camera, Android or iOS mobile app, or you can download PC software. Let's now open the box. It is a thank you card with the same QR code on the other side as on the box. This is a box of accessories in which you will get a 5V 1A adapter, screw pouch, QC card, and 3M double-sided tape will be available to install the camera. This is Trueview's 2MP Wi-Fi Cube camera which is looking quite attractive. Here is the QR code. Here you can insert adapter cable. This is reset button and this is memory card slot. And this is the speaker. Now we will move towards configuration. Take out the camera stand. Insert the memory card into this slot and push it in slowly. Remove this protective film. Here you can see the lights and lens. Insert the adapter cable here and plug the adapter into the power socket. Now we'll move on to the mobile configuration. First of all, we will download the TrueCloud app from Google Play Store. After that, you have to agree and allow by opening the app. To use the app, you must first register by clicking on Register. If you are already registered, enter the details and click on the Confirm button to log in. To add the camera to the app, we need to scan the QR code given on the camera. Keep the mobile Bluetooth on. Select Wi-Fi, type its password and click on Next. If you have fast internet connectivity, the camera will connect instantly. Type in the device name and confirm. Camera is now online. You can select the video quality, mute the sound, take screenshot, do manual record and full screen. Can do two-way communication. Click on the settings button in the upper right corner for camera settings, in which you can do recording settings, image settings, storage settings and other settings. To view the recorded footage, click on Playback. This was the unboxing and configuration video of Trueview 2MP Wi-Fi Cube camera. Like and share this video. Like and subscribe to our channel to see unboxing and installation videos of other Trueview products so that you can get updates of upcoming videos. Thank you.